from November 18th to 20th, 2022. A severe lake effect snow hit the western and northern parts of New York State, USA. Snowfalls were accompanied by thunder and lightning. The National Weather Service reported that the heaviest snowfall was recorded near the city of Buffalo. While Buffalo is accustomed to heavy snowfalls, according to Global News meteorologist Anthony Farnell, this amount of snow early in the season is definitely unusual.
We got whiteout conditions here in Hamburg. Over 5 inches per hour snowfall rates right now. This is crazy.
Oh boy, is it tough to move through chest deep snow. Look at that. And I'm not even on the ground. Dick even kind of have to go over top. We're at least 50 inches in Hamburg. I got to make sure and see.
I didn't think we were going to get this much snow. It's definitely a little heavier than I was expecting it.
And it's bad out here. I advise y'all all to stay in your homes. Don't come outside for nothing.
Crazy. We went downstairs to see if we could open the door. We could barely open the door. I can't believe it, Well, I see them starting to dig out, which is pretty cool. We got a lot of elderly people here that need to be accessible,
The storm hit the region was the strongest in the last 8 years. While clearing snow, several people did not survive heart attacks. Heavy snowfall is expected to continue with short periods of easing. Climatic events are becoming more and more unpredictable. How about your region? Have you noticed anything unusual lately? Write about it in the comments.